I have the May Scentsy Whiff Box. So if you want to see what's inside this month, I'm always excited, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I am all alone. The rest of my crew is off doing what they do. Chloe's napping with Dexter. Bandit's begging for food. I had a late lunch, so I didn't eat dinner yet. I don't even know if I will because my lunch wasn't until like almost 2 o'clock. So yeah, I was doing the training, so we were like, well, if we work through lunch, we can leave early because there was something that many of us had to go do. So yeah, I grabbed a regrettable Popeyes chicken sandwich because it's still sitting in me. Yeah. So tasty going down, but so bad for my system. Very tasty though. And I got their strawberry iced tea. That was delicious. A little sweet, needed more ice to water it down, but delicious. All right, let's get into the Scentsy Whiff Box. So what I enjoy about this is that, first of all, I'm always replenishing my wax melts, and I use them at work and I use them at home, and I use them at my mom's house too. So I use wax melts like everywhere that I go because it's so much safer than candles. I do burn candles at home, but I'm always hesitant with cats to burn candles because I'm just so afraid they're gonna get into it, walk by it, catch their tail off. I don't know. I'm anxious about those kinds of things. But there are home items in here, all kinds of different stuff. So let's see. And this looks like maybe farmer's market type. There's always a picture. Your May Whiff Box captures the simple joy of a morning at the farmer's market. Each scent celebrates the beauty of a sun-ripened bounty and blooming florals with a special surprise to carry all your market finds. Okay, there is your sneak peek. And then there is something with their farmer market scents and products. Cute little strawberry basket wax melter. All right, right on top we have their Scentsy flowers, and so this has the dahlia. I'll show you that in a moment. And then the oil is drifting petals. So what you're going to do is obviously you're going to take this off, and then you're going to put this on top so that now it's more decorative. And then you're going to take the flower and you're going to pop the wick in, and then the scent's going to travel up. This is going to, if this were a color, it would change color. If it's not, obviously it's not going to change color, but the scent will start to seep out of here. I will say when it's about down to here, I've been noticing that no more scent seems to come out. The flower is too saturated. So for Christmas, one of my sisters actually got me like some of these flowers, and I was like, she gave me oil. Why would she just get me the flowers? But then, and she doesn't know that like I have these. But then I was like, hey, what if I pop a new flower in? And then boom, it came right back to life. So I will, as I'm editing, I will look to see if you can get these maybe on Amazon. There's just the flowers. Scentsy may also sell them. I would guess that they do. Okay, I'm afraid to open this and spill everywhere, so I'm not going to open it. We're going to say it probably smells delightful because I've not gotten one that I have not enjoyed yet. But if I can get it open in the bathroom while I'm doing the editing, I'll let you guys know. I mean, I can. Will I remember to? I guess is the better thing to say. Okay, then we have these little fan things. So they sell little diffusers that you put these on top of. I'll grab one when I'm done and take a picture of it and pop it in over here. But you put this in and then it's got a little fan, it spins it out, it pushes out the scent, smells delightful. This is black raspberry vanilla. Oh, divine. Love it. It's delightful. Next, we have the Farmer's Market Lane. Now, this has the scent notes, pear, garden greens, and citron. It sounds like it's going to be nice. Oh, it smells like almost, I'm getting tomatoes on the vine, which wasn't one of the scent notes, but that's what I'm getting. I wonder if that's the citron. And then lilacs and violets. Ooh, oh yeah, that lilacs right there. So you can see they're scored. You break them up. You can put them in your wax melts, whatever kind you have, whether you have a Scentsy one or not. They have some wonderful scents, so I do highly recommend their scents. This is a company out of Idaho, and so all of their waxes are made right there, according to what they say. I could be wrong, but it says made in Idaho, USA. So I'm guessing that they're made there. These kinds of things, they're designed, but I believe they're manufactured in China. But the wax melts are made there. And then they included, this is a rather good size tote bag. And if you had like fabric markers and you wanted to put a little pop of color in there or something, you could definitely do that as well. Once upon a time, I probably would have, but now I'm like, it looks good as it is. We're just going to throw it in with the rest of the bags, right? I'm impressed as always. I will say you're definitely getting the value here. The wax melts alone are, let's see, $6. They're called bars, right? So that's $12 right there in the bars. And then this is $10. So I pulled up their website. They now sell the dishes, the warmer dishes and lids. So I'm going to guess these are silicone, which is the one thing I've been saying that, like, please start getting these because it makes it so much easier to get the wax out. Etched core, what is this? It doesn't say, but I'm thinking. So I don't know if these replacement dishes are silicone or not, but that is the one thing I would really have on my wish list for Scentsy. All right, so it looks like the set is $18, and I'm not seeing that you can just buy the flowers. So I'll have to do a little bit of research on to maybe even ask my sister where she bought those replacement flowers. I have a few left, so I've just been using those. But I will have to check with her to see where she got them from. All right, so that is my Scentsy Whiff Club. Let me know your thoughts. And what was your favorite scent, do you think? Mine's going to be that black raspberry vanilla. That sounds like it's going to be amazing. I gave it a little sniff. Smells great. All right, well, let me know in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Totally free to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon.